Hello everyone, so today we are going to talk about how to operate with tube and profile laser cutting machine. So as follows, let's start with basics. If you come with me, I will show you what to start with. So first of all, we need to connect our machine to the three-phase electricity. And here we can turn on our power switch. Yeah. After that, we can go to the machine's controller over here. Here we will see the main screen and these buttons over here. We turn them on, all of them. And while the screen is turning on, you can follow me. So here we have our laser source and water chiller. So first, we need to turn on the switch for the water chiller. And here we have the small screen with numbers. If there is no any emergency, we can then turn on the laser source. After this, the next step is to turn on our air compressing machine. Here's the little screen with the green button to turn it on. We hold this button for 3 seconds. And now we can hear the noise that machine starts working. And here is a very important button that you need to remain in on position. After that, we can turn on our oxygen bottle. So we use oxygen to cut thick materials and thick profiles. So now we can go back to the controller. As we can see now, the controller is ready to operate. We need to log in. We press OK. And here we can see a lot of indicators and all of them are lighting green. It means there is no problem. And then we swipe to the right. We close the window. We open the Tube Pro software. This is an application to work with the tube cutting machine. Let's wait until it loads. Yeah, now we can see that Z-axis needs return to origin. Here we have a button to return the origin, all axis. We press start and we're waiting for this. As we can see, here are the numbers and all of the axes are now going to the origin point. So now it's complete and we just exit here. Now we are ready to upload our file, our program. We press open and here I have my USB flash drive over here. So there are programs and files on my USB. So I choose the one that I want to work with now. So this is my file that I upload. Next, we press this button here, layer. We need to read file, read out. Needed parameters to cut this profile with these sizes and with this thickness. We press OK. We press start button and now we're ready to load the tube. So we press K1 and K2 to clamp the tube. Then we can come over here and handling the KN and 0 buttons. And with these buttons, we can control the movement of the profile. Then we press shutter. And then we can start cutting the tube.